All right, so I've been labeling out all of our OEM connectors here, which we're not using, volts and oil and water and all that, etc. Fuel. We actually use the tan from the fuel to our fuel gauge in our digital. So there's the OE radio light, which we won't be using. We will actually probably be tapping into that on our light circuit here off of the pigtail for the new radio. This is headlamp door warning, which we don't even have the spot for it because it's one of these missing spots here in the open places. Same with the seat belt and other things. So I need to come up with those part numbers and send those over to you, Mo. Let's see here. That's for our lighter. These are OE gauge lights, so we won't be using those. So we're going to bag and zip tie these up so they don't short on anything, and they're going to still be there behind the dash, ready to go. I began running our power here. I need to shrink wrap this. But I got to put that on, and then this needs to go. It also has our choke wire because it needs to be keyed 12. So it has our choke and our cluster wires. So it has our center cluster, and I'm going to go over here and cut this and splice into that, go over again, splice and solder, and then go down and put a female spade on there to go onto one of the accessory wires under the dash, and then we're pretty much done over on this side. So I just need to finishing up everything over there. So getting there. It's been a day. I do need to get a different sized LED for here. It's going to be red because I'm kind of going for that theme. So we got to do that. Get one for the other side as well. And I do need to do our dimmer wire here, which is going to go, like I said earlier, into our marker light circuit. So getting there, coming along. Whole lot of work. As you guys know, we've got boom, boom, boom. We have wiring diagrams galore. So plugging away, soldering away. It's after 7. I've been working on this car since 1:30 this afternoon. So definitely been getting busy, getting things done.